I select grid again, and actually here we got different modes. Actually I have explained about line and pick lines. If you select pick line, you need to specify offset. So you specify a value and then click on the other axis and then sketch. And here you got an arc, start end radius arc, which means that you need to specify the first and end point. For example, in this way, and then the radius, like this, and another one is center ends arc, that you should specify a center end and a start point. For example, I specify the center point and then the start point in this way, and suppose that here for the end point, like this, modify, and after that I can modify it and extend it in this way, or for example in this way. For example, if you want to sketch a column, we consider here as the center. Very well, in this way. Another point here is that when you sketch a grid, here in view I select level 1 and then I click on tab views. I click on tab views to maximize the level 1 and then close inactive views. So in level 1 here, if I delete this grid, and then again from structure I select grid and then I sketch the arc in this way, then the name would be H, not G. I mean, Revit does not recognize or is not aware of deleting one of the grids. But what we can do to solve this problem? Here we got H instead of G, but we should modify the name ourselves. So in this way the next grid would be H. So in this way you should delete one of the axes. You should note that the software is not aware of it, and as I exemplified, G was missed and the name was H instead. So in this condition you should modify it yourself, but I recommend you to not to delete them. You can just modify them, instead of deleting and then modifying the name. So revision is the better way. Don't forget this point. And another point here we got, here for example arc grids. Here let me sketch an oblique grid in this way, like this. Actually the region does not matter. Actually here the arc and oblique grids. For example here in north elevation, I maximize these. I arrange these two views. For example here, as you can see, in north elevation I should have A, B, C, D, E, F and H. But here as you can see, F, G and H are not displayed in north. So F and H are missed. I mean only the horizontal and vertical grids are displayed in north elevation. And here as you can see, curved or bent lines are not allowed to be displayed in north. Or for example in south and west, the arc grid is not displayed there. Check this out in this way. So let me delete these. So because of this, the software of Revit from the version of 2012, you will find a tool in grid which is multi-segment grid in this way. Actually this tool allows you or provides you to sketch oblique or curved lines and actually arcs, and then consider the symbols of the grids as vertical grids. So in this way you can observe them in elevations. So I select multi-segment and then I start sketching in this way, and then I sketch a curved line, and then I continue the line in this way. So here, since I'm sketching the symbol part in a vertical way, if I click on finish, here as you can see in north, I is displayed. I name it F for example. Check this out. As you can see, F is displayed in north in a vertical way. I move these. Check this out. In this way. So these are displayed. But actually multi-segment, after providing this option, it got one defect, and the defect is that the tool of multi-segment till the version of 2021.1, which is the newest version, and we are working with. The tool of Copy Monitor does not support it. Here in Collaborate, here as you can see, the Copy Monitor and Coordination Review, they don't support segment grid. But when we use Copy Monitor, suppose an architectural file and grids in it, and you have linked the file in the structure, and then you want to make a copy out of the grids of architectural file, actually Copy Monitor, and then paste it in the template of a structure, and then consider it as the basis of your work. So multi-segment grids are not supported there, or are not considered. And actually the topics of Copy Monitor are provided in the course of collaboration with Revit, and you can watch the videos if you're interested. And here I just wanted to tell you that the Copy Monitor does not support multi-segment grid.